Nagosogeire omwanchu muligire begeta seni Ndizi TV chitariki emerongo ebere na isano na yemo mutenyuka ne umwaka wechiri bibera merongo ebere ne tatoneli tukolire geta seni Ndizi TV kenyara kobage korosia etaro ya bene komerana amana mashapiki na bigoba bwatani kurwa ase county ya Nyamira yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabone mugoroba ayinga tiyari togenda takoba to kwariganelia ase emaragoba yabone litalia ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi tigato yanyore alia twanyale koba to kwariganira gwetera senchira yoko ya chutia
Ndizi TV News Digital
Igeta seni Ndizi TV gukora etaro ya bene guse road show cyase county Nyamira elikomerana amana mashabiki.
Hiyo sio haki. Hiyo sio sheria. Mimi nawauliza maofisa wetu wa polisi, jamani fuateni haki.
Uyu kabeire umuraibwense Uhuru Kenyatta kugikiria igekore Kenyara kwa korekana asa magacho amanene yekiama gya Jubilee.
Not allow our people amabara usiboro twaliga baira negas ngoko chiko barende basigari bali barende tenduru ngara bagotara uchiso ngoko barende
ekyombe gya Kenya National Union of Nurses urusagia rwa Kisii kana abanyagitari tibali kwirana asenyagitari ya nduru level 4 wikira oborendi bwabo bwanyereka bwo kwenekigwa Nakwariania senjire bwikirano mwancho murigire nyora boigo Amayia nabo kunyara ko bago gosanga amo na into gwetera se mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera aso mtandao o YouTube Ndizi TV News. Karibu sana gwe kanyelino nyara ko bago kwemanya amanga nyari ko baga gwatika kurwa chingongo ao ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii toguchakera kurwa se county ya Nyamira magayegeta se ni Ndizi TV kwarigania Omoyega obene bwetaro gochiase county ya Nyamira gose road show nigo moyego yonyara ko bwikera nali tukolia rero asaba bwatani aao na boiga mashabiki banyara ko ba wesokia ase emeji aao eli banyara ko ba komerana amona bakori emeremo begeta seni Ndizi TV ekenyara ko bage koleta Amayia na boiga emerobeli menge kurwa ase omono bweke Gusii tugatonyore oroboti oruokero kende chibicha chiri cyanyara ko ba chigo korekana awomo chakano ekerobono ababwatani na boiga bakori emeremo begeta seni Ndizi TV banyara ko bakomerana amona mashabiki ase emechi aao ime county ya Nyamira.
Ndizi TV News Digital wasesemeria YouTube abakoleka muna Ndizi TV News nasema ya YouTube abakoleka muna Ndizi TV News yakara kwa ikire Ndizi TV News
ndio kitu tunataka kufanya ili kununua bundles mwananchi sasa Safaricom na uingie YouTube na watch Ndizi TV video zote za nyumbani sarakasi zote
kama kaiga duwate ori ko baratara mangana Amayia utakerense Eyemo ubaretera saa 10 ubaretera saa 3 ya maroba okoro kwa every nyosero
saa 10 yako biamono kegima tigana inde turasika isembo yende
TV netingetengia sana batasomire na tokomenya tusomire goro yoboremi basomire goro yobogeni yipikipiki
yakora etare abene asibacha kera ko basamanga jabo agotoka embassy na gwetera chinsemo chinyinge ile county ya Nyamira iko ripoti ya Ndizi TV Job Maangiri
Amashabiki tokurwa se county ya Nyamira ni nago semerenga mwanyara ko mukwego kikira mwanyara moko amukomerana amo na bakori embere muna bwatani aao begeta seni Ndizi TV ikira banyara ko baba gutwara etaro iyo ya bene inyora litukoliangyo na se county ya Kisii asabago etaro iyo ye road show eranyara ko bage kogendera litukoliangyo togosuka motwe mwancho muligereria nigobono abakori emeremo anene gusabanya gitari bukorwa ase orosagia rwa Kisii banyare ko bagwesokia na kobwatoka engwana yabo ase batebire ekiombe kya Kenya National Union of of Nurses igedi guchikoba igwanchera abakori emiremo anana abanyagitari banyarako bakwirana ase enyagitari ya Nduru level 4 eliyo gukora emiremo gwikira aria se serikali iranyarako bakwira igetambukira ko baenekeria oburendi bwabo bagukwana ase omuchobosongo nigo abanyagitari abayigo batebire buna omusangirikano nyarako bakorwa ngoiga amono mu county commission we county ya Kisii taranyarako bagokoreta lige salinda lyonsi nabo igo gwikira boniga nigo enyagitari yo ya Nduru level 4 egendere ko bagegosiekwa omosaki oito bamangana Amayia dipon asanya nigo anyarako bagotara gwikira ase enyagitari ya Kisii level 6 na gotoretera robotiro kubwatia
asebono yabeire amatuko maega burwa n'ekisegi korolekana ase enyagitari ya sub county ya Nduru kubwatekana no kung'anywa kwe mashini kurwa senyagitari eyo egujese enyagitari ya Keumbu ekiombe kia Nurses Union kurwa soro sagerwa Kisii nigo bono baimurunganirie sector y'oborendi ase batebire mbali koira na mirimo onye mbara enekeri gwoborendi boisaine buna abanyagitari
tusiegete Nduru sub county turiko nyeigora
ntegete goteba iga amang'ana abete Nduru na amang'ana mabesana abanyagitari barendi goitu nebinto bigasariwa ase enyagitari eyo.
We cannot allow our people amabara usiboro chibaliga baira negas nuko chiko barenda basigari bali barendete Nduru oka ikara bagotara uchisa bongo barenda
abanyagitari bali kwenda guchiaria mpaka abantu bali bakoreta amang'ana ali ebitieno babwatiru
maega yogokora igikaro no mu county commissioner we county ya Kisii oyotenere toborendi nigo bono batebire mbararo ragitambokero kende gyonsi elioko ba okoenekia kwirana asemeremo na koigorwa kwenyagitari eyo na inde
kurutomeranete na county commissioner ali ofisi ya governor na security ya county commander mpaka boniga kende ngeyo batoretereke baramba chite bagakora omukutano n'abantu bagari abanyagitari bororo ebaumiete kebirengeri ya karamba rocha ya korekanito
to atware meeting next county commissioner with his security team but it is not yielding anything in every year exercise bari goto chesi ororo this is a wait and see
bono nigo baborire abanyakenyoro awo gwatiranitwe nega korekyo wesokia na gusaba amabera.
The community must apologize to us and to these individuals. Now they are ready for them to work for them in that place.
Komenta na yue nigo bateba onye mwanasiasa ndokaro asogosegeta ebikora bingamu nebyo aetange kigima asenge nchobonyagitari mbotageti kuburukani wanasiasa
na mwanasiasa onde kwensi ogeso yasa mangana nyagitari abanyagitari n'abantu basomete bakurwali abantu mbatagiti siasa igo abanasiasa bonsi etange ojikoleta mangana mnayo kunyagosegeta community ngaba chikurwani abanyagitari na kuna busumbwa abanyagitari tinyagitari goeta etogubwa tuteni abanyagitari abo tobarete buogo baikaranso ororo irinde community echandike na liora amanyinga egasi yawo ne yogo kole binte bya kole gasi ebarenge tutali ugo chakonya kolenda abanyagitari ngonye tali gokora bwangu ngolikia toli rube kome totebenga oborendi bwa Gusii asensemo ya serikali mboli bwa kene egekogera eba bwata upendeleo korekana ngakedi yonsi na keba mbalita getiko batayare
Ulipoteleka taseni kia Ndizi TV korua ase county ya Kisii ilietalia nendi pon asanya
Biamono dipon asanya soroboti orwa senchira yobo ikiran totigarete ase county ya Kisii bono nigo abamenyo kurwa ase county eyo anene kurwa ase sub county ya Kisii Central banyara ko bako ene kianga besokiria sobongeli ko enane birengereri byabo anene gochia ase ekerengereri okeria anene kerengete ogonchorira gwekengese kiri chiko ekyo kerengete enibo yense okwana ase omochi obosongo nigo abamenya banyara ko bako toka ibirengereri byabo asebate birebono nigo eserikali bonete ko bekora monchorire anene asirichiko ririrengete enibo yense omonyego yirigo nyara ko bagokorawa no mu county commissioner bwa county ya Kisii Tom Manjere musaki oito korwa ase county ya Kisii ndemo civil na nyara ko bagokirana asomonyego yo.
So we are having a national task force on public finance management which has come to Kisii, and this is part of a national exercise that is geared towards gathering views from wananchi on the two aspects that the team will talk about. We are excited as a county that the government is aggressively involving members of the public in decision making.
Abwangati abwatani kurwa sense mweke ganchagi ense aubatu alebikaro byoko ire birengererio asa mangana alengete amakabeso yense.
I'm Monica Suna from the National Treasury, Director of Planning in the Public Debt Management Office. So our coming here today is that we are doing public participation, which is a constitutional requirement whenever you want to either come up with new laws or policies, or when you are amending sections of the policies or acts which have already been passed. So today's activity is to amend the Public Finance Management Act and its attendant regulations.
We are convinced that with this kind of an approach, it's going to go a long way in inspiring our economy. The proposal to anchor the public debt on the GDP is a welcome move, and we support it as a county. The issue of definition of county debt and national debt is also something that calls for amendment so that we are able to align it to our constitution as per the constitution 2010.
Ababwatani kurwe county ya Kisii mbaru ire yogosiremero belibuneye ekuraune serikali yanene.
We are here to fully participate and ensure that the county government, which is a beneficiary of these amendments, which will be a beneficiary of these amendments, agrees with the proposals from National Treasury and what they're doing in terms of public participation, because you realize these regulations affect both the county government and national government. So on behalf of the governor, we're here to say that we support this initiative, especially when they're looking at GDP against the national debt, unlike in the past we've gone with figures.
In 3, 2, 1, action.
Wetera somo ya golero ni gaba bisa kurwa sense mo yake gancheke negi ense kia National Treasury bakobwatera namo nababwata ni kurwa sense mo ya county government batu ari ebikaro babene asaba kwana ire amangana arengete enibo yense ase serikali ya county ya Kisii rude ire wananyare kubwatisya amount ya yaregerere bunense menene ya serikali yense ya Kenya. Kuripoteria Ndizi TV kurwa sense mo ya culture hole kutoka sense mo ya Kisii tuletariane Ndemo Steven.
Togoska motuma nchumurigeri magiga yumuruberi obogo tindokora emebere ayanyalto kobego tindekwa asoro sana rasha mahola kubwatekana botani babwate ukubwatana amona Paul Mackenzie bono nigo omwaziri obwemere mona boigo amangana ya bana oyokoro ku Florence boranyara kwa kubeka etaro ya bene gwikira sensemeyo ase atebire bono omuroberi oyo anene bokubaira abantu kukia soro sana rasha mahora nigo rwarengete abana abakega ukwana kurwa sensemeyo Florence nigo atebire bone serikali raje kwa kwende kenyanyale kwa kwira egetambukero egetindi chia ase omopasto yokoro kwa Paul Mackenzie.
And I want to thank them because they've been at the forefront to rescue children who have talked to. They have been put into a children's home in Malindi. They are safe. They have picked up, at least they have been able to eat. They've been able to drink water. And I have sat with them for almost 2 hours. They've been able to open up. They have said who did what. They are very conversant. They know Mackenzie himself. They know the people who are working with Mackenzie. Like they've talked of somebody called Smart. But they said there were about 6 security officers who are with them, who kept on following them and refusing them to eat. And the reason was they should not eat because they are preparing to go to heaven. So they were refused to eat, they were refused to go to school, and literally had to run away from this environment. One of them even gave a story of how he was saved by a herdsman who was taking care of animals, I think from the northeastern. So he was able to get help from the herdsman. Another one got help with a ride on a bicycle. Another one got help with a ride on a motorbike. And that is how they were able to get help. A boy of 14 and a small baby of about 2 years who is at the hospital being given help. Some of these children don't even know that their siblings have died. There is one who doesn't have siblings because they died on the ground here. So when he escaped, he left them behind. Another one was brought here by an uncle. The mother seems to be in Nairobi, and he says he was brought by an uncle who is a member of Mackenzie's church.
Noroboti rugukumya mwanchu murigirari nganene abana na abanyari toko bakobetererwa kwenekiwa ngabanyari ko bagosoa aso kwegena okuo wa Paul Mackenzie ndona gosemeria nga obwene bwa bana bumbonyara ko bogotoka ase chingaki chire motwe togoska motwe ababwatani akorwa ze wizara yobochenu nigo banyari ko bakoboria serikali enene banyari ko bakobwaterana iri kwenekia buna obochenu ase chiskuru banyari ko babokoimokiwa igoro bagokwana abo bisa abokorwa ase semo boigo nigo batebire anene chiskuru chinyinge chenyara ko bachigosiye ko kubwatekana na Ensa mlio bochenu koira nanse kona mone wizara yechisemi nigo bonenya ko bekwira libagalia alibi yabene elikwenekia buna ae serikali nyare ko beko baleta banyagitali abo elinde banyare ko bakora egasi obwamo na gutarira chiskuru elinde banyare ko bakoligelia ekerengo kyo bochenu ase chiskuru ekyo.
With my colleagues in Washingishu, addressing the issues of public health at the moment. And I want to say that we have been having problems of public health because of lack of employment. Right now, we are dealing with very delicate issues in schools and the full transition of schools. Now that the policy says no child will repeat any class means that we have to increase again the number of people working in those schools. And one of them is the public health officer and technician who has been left outside, and that is why we are seeing the hygienic conditions coming up. We are addressing issues like cholera, which is something which could be something of the past. Right now we are having people dying because of hygienic related conditions, especially 2.7 people nowadays are dying because of diarrheal diseases, which are related to water and hygiene. And we want to reverse this trend by employing more public health officers and technicians. Right now, the policy of the government is addressing on curative and rehabilitative services. That is more of medicine, purchasing of medicine and other services, and leaving out the real issue of public health of preventive and promotive. So we are requesting through our president and the counties and our governors to see sense that public health are the people to employ so that we can have very minimal resources going to treatment. And also, the public health officers are working under threat. Right now,
Togoska motwe nigo omwaziri woborendi bwaimeki ture kindikiri kuria lera nyarako bago ikirana ase bunge senate elio kwiraneria amaborio arengete oborendi bwense kubatekana na kiture kindiki niganyarako bakwenekeria bunge ya senate bune serikali yenene na kubaterana amone wizara ya embagene tokoba koimokia ebitampukero linda kwenekia buna oborendi imeyense ya Kenya bwanyareko bogotingiwa.
We have learned in the last 2 months there are still gaps. We are going to seal the gaps. We will stay there as long as it takes. I want to assure the people of Samburu County and all the other counties affected, including counties affected by this menace but which are not part of the operation yet. I want to assure them the crime of violent cattle theft, rustling, banditry, and visiting terror on the public by criminals. We will make sure that that culture and that practice is finished and it will be part of the history of Kenya. We are determined to do whatever it takes. It takes a while because of the intricacies involved, but Honorable Speaker, we are on course and we will win the war. It's either Kenya or bandits. It's either the law or crime. One has to give way. Kenya will not give way. The government will not give way. The people of Kenya will not give way. Bandits, criminals have to give way.
Togosuka mutumwa nchumurigiria omo Prime Cabinet Minister Musalia Mudavadi ritkolia rero nigo atebire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza irachikobe kwene kinganyale kobe kubwatirana nechisako iri kwene kiabuna banyale koba kubwatoka chibesa chiabene guchia sabo njuriria babene ime yense ya Kenya gukwana ime ya county ya Nyandarua nigo Mudavadi boigatebire buna serikali nechikwene kiabuna anene chisako chiri chinge chenyale koba chiko imokiwa igoro nabo kwene kenga chanyale koba chikubato kachibesa chisaine uchia ase aba Kenya niga yakuwa na yaso musangirikano nyara koba kubaleta chisako au gati yabo esako ya tawa.
Mr. Chairman, the unique nature of the cooperative business model in aggregating both human and capital resources informed the Kenya Kwanza economic transformation agenda better, that focuses on uplifting livelihoods of Kenyans at the bottom of the economic pyramid. These are reasons behind the decision by my administration to establish and centrally place the Ministry of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development in the implementation of the Kenya Kwanza bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Better is geared towards ensuring that Kenyans own their economy through self-empowerment, improved incomes, employment, and wealth creation. Ladies and gentlemen, the savings and credit cooperatives, SACCOs, have witnessed rapid growth in the last few decades. It now boasts of savings of mobilization of over Kenya shillings 1 trillion, which is 30% of our national savings.
Magayaye omo Prime Cabinet Minister yo Musalia Mudavadi ganyara kobaga wikirana ase ebikaro bya Senate yasiritsikulia rero ebunge ya Senate yanyara kobage kobareta amo abawaziri aili banyara kobaga kwanera amangana rengeta chi wizara chiabo Musalia Mudavadi boigonigo anyara kobaga kweraneria maburi yarengete anene ogokina kwa magori yebinto na boigo uchumi ya Kenya tonyoro roboti rwa century obikirano.
I'd like to ask question 116 of 2023, which is directed to the Prime Cabinet Secretary. Could the Prime Cabinet Secretary explain the efforts that the government is instituting to cushion Kenyans from the unbearable cost of living as a result of rising prices of basic commodities?
Speaker, I'll go straight to try and I'll definitely deal with but two of his question first. That is, or the causes of the escalation of prices of commodities. The overall inflation did 2002, then 22 to 9.6%, and in March it has declined slightly. Higher food prices resulting from reduced were also pushed by the dollar effect and the supply constraints globally, and elimination of subsidies for petrol and the substantive reduction of diesel.
Waskamoto mwanchu murigeria omotenene libwa bangina county ya Nyandarua Faith Gitau boigoni gabolire serikali enene nyale kwa bage kweneke yabikire merubiri elinde kweneke abuna basai banyale kwa ba kwenyorera emeremo ase serikali eyo gukwana ase county ya Nyandarua asomusangirikano bokuigora esako ya Tawas nigo Faith boigo abolire serikali nyale kwa bage kweneke yabikire merubiri boigo yogwakana abasaba nyale kwa ba gweso yenya amonega asieli ale ku kazi mtani abuiki
The unemployment rate here is so high. Tunaomba tafadhali mutuangalilie youth wetu wapate ajira, wapate kazi, and there are so many things that we can do here to get them busy, kwa sababu maneno ya pombe iko, but we cannot say that they are taking that pombe because of unemployment. It's hopelessness. We need to check on them. And kazi mtaani, we used to have kazi mtaani, na wengi hawajalipwa up to now.
Omowaziri b'obonchoreria Moses Kuria nigo aburirie abageni anene kurwa chinse cha Bongereza na Amerika banyara ko bagochaka obonchoreria bwabo gocha asense ya Kenya gukwana asense ya Bongereza. Kuria boigo nigo aenekeiria bonchoreria bunense ya Kenya ne bwatobole ndi boisaine na boigo mbareneri bagaria bene kunyara ko bakwenekinga baletire obonchoreria bwabo ime yense ya Kenya nigo ayakwana aya asense ya Bongereza ase omoroberio ulio nyara ko bokubaleta ama ni ase sector yobonchoreria eyekurukwa wa Kenya investment.
What we are doing is we are providing an environment that is conducive for investment, starting with the strategic trade and investment partnership that we are discussing. Just last week, we concluded the second round of face-to-face negotiations in Nairobi, and we are going to be back here in the US in the month of July for the third round. And I'm very certain that by close of the year, God willing, we are going to put pen on paper for the first ever strategic trade and investment partnership by the United States in the continent of Africa. This should really speak to you, and it should really to speak to your checkbooks and to your pockets as you make this decision. So this is a manifestation of the commitment of the government of Kenya and the government of the United States to ensure that your investments are safe and that we really provide an environment that is good for your business. I am also in charge of ensuring that most of those challenges that Meg Whitman has talked about in terms of the business environment, the regulatory environment, we've given ourselves up to
Togotigana na roboti orurwa omowaziri w'obonchoreria Moses Kuria boigo togosuka mutwe nigo omowaziri bwamang'ana aisiko anene usa chinse cha isiko Alfred Mutua boigo nyareko bakwenekeria aba Kenya bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza negene tokoba ikobeke meroberio ao elinde kwenekia buna anene obokurumi bwanyarire koba bokoera gati meroberio yo Alfred Mutua nyareko bagoteba no kwenekia buna anene obokoleri asechi abisiche serikali bwanyareko bokorekana asenchira yo.
Let me talk about corruption. As a senior government official who served in this government, I have never seen such dedication of the present cabinet that I sit in, led by our President William Ruto, to fight corruption. We have given and empowered the police, all the agencies dealing with corruption. They are not tied to the government. They are independent. They can investigate everyone, including the president. They are free of any chains. That means now the government of Kenya has decided that we are fighting corruption in a way that has never been fought before, and that when you come as an investor, you will not have any problems in terms of people asking for bribes or other issues. We've taken care of that. And if anybody tries to ask you for bribes, just talk to me or Meg Whitman. We'll deal with them.
Umwancho mulgele ingati ya yande amange togenda tokabato kwariganire kurwa semesa yaito ya Amayia na goikera guno to ikira omwerio bwa mwana Amayia Ensa Eyemo ya bono botukotigangire byagire gwakaranga mbiyamo na singe njogo sanga amona intwe Amayia ya naboigo emeroberio togenda tokabato kwariganire kurwa segeta seni Ndizi TV boigo lienge nchomono gokonyorenga litiko lyangyo egeta seni Ndizi TV ngobeka kere etaro yabo ya benegose erodisho ime county ya Kisii onyekore omumenyi anene we county ya Kisii inyora litiko lyangyo egeta seni ekegema Ndizi TV ngonyara kora kereke gosanga amonaye tomerane chinsa isato chiabono botuko asengo koretera aya amona yande amange togenda tokabato kwariganiro nyara kobaga kwenekia buna eliogi na boigo chibiche chenyara kobachi gochera asenchira yobo ikirano nabigairi nyanchama elitaliana nigongoro kwa Josephat Amisi.